What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode. So today we're finally back out here on the kayak a week after the season opened up in April, looking to catch some rockfish. Oh man, it's just so amazing to get back on the kayak. Mario's out here, a good buddy Frank, he's out here looking to target some big fish. Hopefully we can find them. Frank is out catching some bait. I think Mario's probably trying to catch some bait in a little bit. We're going to be starting off with a jig, and then above that we have a teaser. I brought some swim baits and some flukes. Looks like Mario's up here jigging for some bait. You get some bait yet? No? I grabbed my wrong reel. I grabbed my broken one, the one that goes backwards, and it goes forward and backwards. Whoa! Bird almost on me. That landed like right by my foot. He was like, look at this noob. He's trying to drop a nuke on my dome. Oh, I got hit twice. Oh, pop, pop.
3 minutes until we hit the spot if we're going this way. Copy. You want to check the windy app and see if you're seeing the same thing that I'm seeing with the wind pattern? Yeah, I'll give it a go right now.
Finally got some life. What did we get? Oh, we just got a gopher. Hey, but it's a fish. Took the jig. Got a cool gopher right here. These are pretty good eating. You know, it's one of the most underrated fish out here. A lot of people just throw them back because how small they are, but they taste as good as any other rockfish. Man, we're struggling out here. We've been fishing for about 2 hours, and the only signs of life so far is just one gopher rockfish. What's your guess? Lingcod? Yeah. Got some weight to it. It feels like a gopher. You're right, lingcod.
Yeah, I was diving.
Woo!
Legal or no legal?
No legal, it's too short. He took the jig. Shoo! Uh-oh. Jig popped right off. Little baby guy. Yeah, beautiful blue lingcod.
How big do you think that is?
How big?
14 inches? 16 inches?
Nah, I'd say like 17. What's your guess?
Legal size is what?
22.
Here, that looks like maybe
Huh? 18? $20.
20. Oh.
2 inches short, but ooh, man. Phew, first lingcod of the year, bro. I'm on. Whoa. What is this? Gopher? Yeah, another gopher. Oh, buddy. No. Ah, there we go. Oh, wait. This one's pale. I think it's a gopher. This is a pale fish though.
Oh yeah.
Another gopher. Dude, I'll take gophers all day. I'd much rather have like a black, blue, red, but gopher's a fish. The more I look at that lighter colored one, I can't tell if it's like a copper or if it's just a pale gopher. God, all the rockfish, they look so much alike, it's hard to tell. What was it? I used to have the hardest time between like black and yellows and Chinas. Just hover it, like give it like a slow hover above a rock. And these guys will fly out of a hole.
Big cluster. Is it a big cluster of red and orange?
Oh, I got little fish.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Simulation mode.
Yeah.
Got some halibut.
So we did not have the greatest opening day for our rock fishing trip. Like I said, the season opened up about a week ago, but I don't feel too as bad. We were hearing reports on our radios that the channel Mario and I were on, and you know, I think like maybe 2 other boats were on the same channel. So we were listening on to see how they were doing, and then when me and Mario were cooperating with each other, they were able to listen to how we were doing. We weren't the only ones on the struggle bus out there. We did catch some gopher rockfish and a beautiful small lingcod, so that was pretty cool to get the first lingcod of the year. But I got all the gopher rockfish filleted, and we're gonna be beer battering them, having some beer batter fish and chips. First, we're gonna drop in the fries, and then we'll do our fish after the fries are done. We got some leftover fish and chips batter from the last time that I made fish and chips. Pour in some beer. Good choice. Mix it till we get the right consistency of how I like my beer batter. A little more. It's always good to... What do you want, titties? Oh, really? There we go. That's the right consistency that I want. The fries are just about done. So, we'll just dunk our fish fillets. We're going to dunk all of them. Dunk all the fish fillets. Alright, so our fries seem to be done. We're going to take them off, put them on a plate with the paper towel underneath. And then we're gonna take, you know, whatever seasoning you want. I'm gonna be using some. I like this chubby cheeks on these fries. And now we're gonna add in our fish. I'm gonna do probably maybe 2 at a time. We'll do 3. We'll do 3. Alright, they're nice and golden brown right now. Oh, look how nice crispy they look. Now I know deep fried food is not the best for you, but goddamn, it's so delicious. So we got some fries, fish and chips. And like I said, gopher rockfish is probably one of the most underrated rockfish out there. If you made fish and chips with probably any other rockfish and you try to compare the two, I doubt you would be able to tell the difference other than the size, because these guys don't get too big, but they're goddamn delicious. So we got fries. Always good. And then we got our fish. Just like as you would order from a restaurant. Honestly, I don't know exactly what kind of fish that they use for fish and chips at restaurants. I always assumed catfish, either catfish or rock cod. But I always thought they used catfish. If you were to ask me and I didn't know what kind of fish this was called, I would probably either tell you... I'd probably tell you catfish, because this is damn close to some fish and chips that was made with catfish from a restaurant the last time that I had gone to a restaurant and eaten fish and chips. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. We didn't have that great of a time on our first time out this year for rockfish, but I'm hoping our next time out will be even better. Hopefully we can locate some bigger lingcod, some cabezons, some black blue rockfish, find some reds. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, keep fishing on. Peace.